Hey guys, Toast again from Fishyaker. I'm back on the north branch of the Susquehanna River today. It's October 10th. It's in the low to mid 60s right now. Beautiful day, a little tiny bit of high cloud cover. But probably going to be pretty clear, close to bluebird sky again. River's still super low, but this time I'm mostly going to concentrate with a GoFish Cam. I'm going to be trolling this around a lot just to see what's down there, where I'm going to be a couple of areas here. Get down even with the low water to about 10 feet. But last time I played around with this, I didn't have much luck. Now that was about 2 or 3 weeks ago and in another stretch of the river. But I was trying to see if they were starting to move down into those deeper areas yet and to see how active they are. I was here the other day, didn't have a whole ton of luck. I did catch one huge smallie, but it was really not good conditions at that time. So if I pick anything good up on this, you'll see it.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.